What is going on, everybody? It is Devin, aka Beard Code here, and I am back at it again with another brand new review video for you guys today. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for stopping by once again and checking out yet another video. And to anyone that is new here, I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by as well. If you enjoy the content you are about to see, please consider hitting that thumbs up button, hitting subscribe, and of course ringing that bell so that way you can be notified anytime I come out with new content. But in today's review, guys, I'm going to be covering a company that has what I might say the absolute best packaging in all of the beard game. This packaging is killer, guys. But don't worry, sit back, relax, and stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys everything you guys need to know right now. Now, the company we're going to be covering today is, of course, Bay Area Beard Company. Now, this company has a really awesome owner named Matt. It has been an absolute pleasure getting to talk to him over the past couple of weeks as I prepared for this review. He is just a super chill guy, super down to earth, and it has been an absolute pleasure getting to talk to him. Now, if you guys are like me, anytime you get a package in the mail, especially when it's a beard mail package, you probably pay close attention to the product packaging itself. Now, in my opinion, one of the most important factors that comes into play when you get a beard package is, of course, the presentation, how well things are put together, and that's what really helps shape your first impression of the products themselves. As you guys will be able to tell here soon in just a minute, Matt over at Bay Area Beard Company has placed a great point of emphasis on his packaging. He really wants to help provide a great first impression, and I think he has really done that with his boxes and his packaging. Now, anytime you order from Bay Area Beard Company, your products are going to come in a box just like this. The boxes look just like this, has a really cool wax stamp seal there on the front, then of course has a Bible verse on the back, something there on the front, and of course there on the sides as well. I love that the box is filled up completely. There are no sides that are left empty with this box, and that's one thing that I think really stands out with the box itself. Inside the box, you will find all of your products laid and packaged very nicely there in that crinkle cut paper. And in my opinion, it's the little things like that, just having a nice clean box when you open up the products themselves for the first time, that really helps add to a great first impression. To make things even better, anytime you order a beard oil, it comes in a very awesome cardboard tube, just like this. Don't you just love that sound? We're gonna go ahead and go over 3 different scents that are offered from Bay Area Beard Company in their Biblical Beard Oil line. Let's go ahead and get things kicked off with the first one, and this is a fresh baked chocolate chip cookie scent. Now, the fresh baked chocolate chip cookie scent is exactly that. This reminds me of walking into maybe my mom or my grandmother's kitchen as a kid, maybe on like a Sunday afternoon. I had been outside playing all day. I would run inside, find them baking, and it smells exactly like fresh baked chocolate chip cookies. This scent took me back to being a kid, walking in the kitchen even though I wasn't supposed to, when mom had just made a fresh batch of chocolate chip cookies, trying to grab one while they're still hot. This just reminds me so much of my mom's baking as a kid, and that's one of the reasons I truly enjoy this scent so much. Next up, we have a Froot Loops Frosted Cupcake and Honey scent. Now, this is a scent that I honestly didn't think I was going to be the world's biggest fan of up front. When you hear something like Froot Loops, Frosted Cupcake, and Honey, I just get the impression that's going to be a very sweet scent. And I thought it was just going to be too much for me personally. It was a scent that my girlfriend picked out because those are all things that are right up her alley. She loves the fruity and very sweet type of scents. But when I went ahead, got this in beard and in bottle as well, to my surprise, I didn't find that it was too sweet at all. I think some of that honey, it adds a little bit of a sweetness note, but it also helps tone down things like the Froot Loops and the Frosted Cupcake. Not too sweet at all, and I actually really enjoyed this one a lot more than I thought I was going to. This is a scent I definitely get just a wide variety of fruit. I mostly get like a lemon sort of deal out of the Froot Loop side, and you definitely get some of that Frosted Cupcake in the background. A very nice scent. Like I said, I enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would. Now, this scent right here is easily my personal favorite of the 3 scents that I have here today. This is a pineapple, sage, and grapefruit scent that has notes of ginger, Hawaiian sandalwood, and of course Tahitian vanilla. As some of you guys may know, I'm a huge fan of the fresh tropical type of scents, so when I hear something with pineapple, I had to of course jump on that, but this is very much so more than just a tropical type of scent. Now, with this scent right here, I get a lot of the pineapple and grapefruit up front. One of my favorite things about this scent is, of course, the additions of the things like sage and ginger. It kind of helps to create a nice little bit of depth to it, kind of gives it a little bit of an earthy tone there in the background. And in beard, it kind of creates this citrusy pineapple type of cologne in a weird way. This is a scent I really enjoyed. Definitely my personal favorite of the 3 scents that I have here today. Now, all 3 of the scents that I have here today lasted me a very solid 4 to 6 hours in beard. Sometimes they lasted a little bit longer, sometimes not quite as long, kind of just depending on what I was doing that day, but you're going to get a very solid 4 to 6 hours out of all 3 of these scents. Let's go ahead and move on to the beard oils themselves. As you guys can see, they do come in 1 ounce glass bottles there, and they do come with the black dripper tops. One of my favorite things about the product itself is the bamboo dropper on the top. As you guys can see, some very neat labeling there with the biblical beard oil label there on the front. It does of course list the ingredients as well as a few directions on the bottle itself. By far the coolest part about each individual bottle of beard oil is that each bottle comes stamped with a little wax stamp seal there. The wax stamps help you to indicate which scent is which. That's one thing that I think is very, very unique. It's much cooler than just putting a scent name on the bottle itself. But at the same time, it can be very hard to remember exactly what is in a scent profile. So I would like to see maybe a scent profile listed there on the bottle as well, because a wax seal isn't really going to tell you what is exactly in a scent profile. Now, when it comes to the carrier blend, we are looking at an ingredient list that consists of 5 different oils. We have sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil, Moroccan argan oil, avocado oil, and then Jamaican black castor, and of course essential and fragrance oils for scent. As you guys can see there is a slight yellow tint to the oil itself there, and I would describe the consistency of this oil between a medium and a thick, not quite to the thick side yet, but more on the thicker side of a medium, if that makes any sort of sense to you guys. One thing I absolutely loved about these beard oils is how quickly and fast they absorbed into my hair and skin. The carrier blend seemed to work very, very well for me. It left my beard and skin very, very soft and nice and nourished. It absorbed quickly and it didn't leave my beard feeling greasy at all, which is always a plus in my book. One of the most important things for me when it comes to finding a good beard oil is of course how well my beard is able to style with just the use of oil. Most of you guys know I'm not a huge fan of beard balm. I like to wear just oils during the day, and these oils right here did a very, very good job of helping my beard style. Everything laid down just as it usually does. That's something that I really, really enjoyed. Next up, let's go ahead and talk pricing for just a quick minute. You guys can get yourself a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil in the little canisters just like this for $14 over at the Bay Area Beard Company. Now, he does not have his own website, so all orders have to be done through Instagram as of right now. I know that Matt is currently in the process of working on a website, so I'll go ahead and leave a link down below to his Instagram if you guys are interested in checking out any of his products and placing an order for yourself. And another positive, Matt includes free shipping with all of his orders here in the US. That's always a positive in my book. I love free shipping, so you can't beat that. Bay Area Beard Company does also offer a few other products. Matt has beard balms, he has beard butters, he offers different combos, and of course different box sets of all of his different oils. I would highly recommend you guys go over there and check out some of Matt's stuff from Bay Area Beard Company. I really, really enjoy these oils, and I think it's something that you guys are going to enjoy too. I don't have a ton of complaints when it comes to anything with this company, except for maybe 2 things. One, I would really like to see Matt get his own website up and running for Bay Area Beard Company. I would love to be able to place orders on his website. As of right now, like I said, you have to do all of your orders through DM over on Instagram, so I would really like to see him get a website up and running officially. And second, I would love to see some sort of scent profile description listed on the beard oils themselves. I think it's very, very cool to include the wax stamps as a way to indicate which scent is which. However, wax stamps aren't necessarily going to tell me what is in a scent profile, so if a few months down the road, if I reach for this oil, I might not remember everything that's in a scent. So that's one thing that I would like to see, especially when he comes out with some more complex and different scents. I think the uniqueness can be hard to remember sometimes, so I would love to see scent profiles on the bottle as well. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap things up for today's review of Bay Area Beard Company. As you guys can tell, everything from the boxing to, of course, the packaging of an individual bottle of beard oil is very, very unique. I love to see how clean and crisp the packaging is, and in my opinion, it's probably some of the best packaging in the beard game. So I would suggest everyone go head over to Bay Area Beard Company, check this company out for yourself, and let me know what you guys think. But let me know down in the comment section if you guys have checked out Bay Area Beard Company for yourself. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. If you guys have checked out this company, used any of the products, how you guys feel about the packaging itself. I love to hear feedback from you guys. That's gonna wrap up today's video, and as always, you guys know the deal. Stay fresh, stay clean, and never break beard code. I'll see you guys in the next one.